If I go around the world and people say, where are you from? I say Bridgend.
And they say, where's that near?
And I say it's in Wales.
They say, is Wales near London?
And I say, no, it's not near London.
Gareth Thomas.
Alfie, Bridgend out. Interception, Gareth Thomas.
When you come out, it's not just you that comes out.
Everyone who's closely associated with you has to come out with you.
The media attention. International spotlight.
There's this idiot on the terrace. I don't know his name.
Him and his wife are massive Bridgend fans, and he started shouting.
The 100 people around him go silent.
Like, completely silent.
So you hone in on this one guy, and he was going,
Alfie, you bender.
Just for that second, you shine brighter than any of the other 29 superstars.
I am the man. I rule this place.